Hi everyone. We all might have faced a problem matching the web designs with the developed website. For developers, it frustrates rebuilding when a small UI change is missed out. And for testers, it's repetitive work for them to test the entire UI, even if there are only minor updates. When it comes to product managers, they might not able to deliver the product on time due to multiple iterations of corrections in the development phase and the testing phase. Now, for all these problems, we have one solution. I'm happy to introduce UI Verifier, which solves all the problems mentioned earlier. Developers can now verify the UI design during the development phase. Testers can quickly test the UI components by just toggling between the UI design and the actual website. As there would be less or no iteration of corrections between the development and testing phase, product can be delivered within the deadline. As you can see here, this is my portfolio website which I'll be using for this demo. Now let's click on the extension. Once you click on the extension, you can log in with Figma, allow access to Figma. Once granting access to Figma, the next step would be adding the domains. These are the domains on which I can toggle between the design and then the actual website. So I have added centralevent.com and later you can see these options. Let's go to Figma and update the mapping. Here you just need to select the screen and then add the mapping, URL as well as the layout. Let me select the screen and add the URL as slash so it can be accessed to centralribbon.com and layout as mobile. Now our mapping got added. Let's test it. Now in our website, if you are a Mac user, then Option+D. If you are a Windows user, then Alt+D. You can clearly notice there is a smooth transition between the website and the actual design. You can also see other options like updating additional domains, updating additional mappings. Say for example, let me add one more domain called test.centralribbon.com. So even in test.centralribbon.com, now we can be able to toggle between the layout and the design. If you want to know more about it, you can visit this help page where all the details have been listed very clearly. Thanks for watching this video.